Samsung is all set to host its Galaxy Unpacked event on July 26. From foldable smartphones to new Galaxy watches and tablets, the event is expected to announce exciting Galaxy products soon. However, one of the highlighted launches of this year's Galaxy Unpacked event will definitely be the Galaxy Z Flip 5. We say so as the leaks and rumors are hinting towards some notable upgrades in design as well as performance. Having said that, last year's Galaxy Z Flip 4 was definitely fun to use because of its clamshell design, huge cover display that shows message previews, basic control toggles, and a viewfinder for the main cameras. The same idea will likely be carried over to the Galaxy Z Flip 5. At least that is what the teaser and renders have suggested. But there is a big difference. It has a much bigger display. So what else has been changed for the Galaxy Z Flip 5? Ahead of the Galaxy Unpacked event, have a quick look at how the Galaxy Z Flip 5 will differ from last year's Galaxy Z Flip 4. Design and display. Bigger cover display. The Galaxy Z Flip 4 features a 1.9-inch cover display along with a 6.7-inch main panel. The main difference that you will see is a rumored 3.4-inch cover screen on the Galaxy Z Flip 5. However, the main display is expected to remain the same at 6.7 inches. Performance. The new flip phone is expected to get an upgrade to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset over the Galaxy Z Flip 4, which has the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. Talking about the software, it may run on Android 13 with Samsung's One UI skin on top. Battery. As per a report by Sam Mobile, the Galaxy Z Flip 5 may pack a 3,700 mAh battery. That means you may not get any boost in the battery performance as the Galaxy Z Flip 4 also packs a 3,700 mAh battery with support of 25-watt wire charging. Cameras. This year, the Galaxy Z Flip 5 may not get any update as it is tipped to get a dual 12-megapixel camera setup. However, tipster Yajish Brar suggests that it may get new image sensors which may ultimately result in better quality of photography. The Galaxy Z Flip 4 features a 12-megapixel wide camera along with a 12-megapixel ultra-wide sensor. I will make a detailed video of Z Flip 5 versus Z Flip 4. It was a quick look at how the Galaxy Z Flip 5 will differ from last year's Galaxy Z Flip 4. So, are you going to purchase Galaxy Z Flip 5? Let me know your thoughts in the comments section. As always, I will see you in the next video. Peace out.